In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remotely sign out of your LinkedIn account from all the devices. Whether you're doing a little spring cleaning of your digital presence or you suspect that your account might have been accessed from a device you don't recognize, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, let's start by heading over to linkedin.com. Simply open your browser and type in the URL to reach the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You have a few options here. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can use your email address along with your password. For those of you who have two-factor authentication set up on your LinkedIn account, you might be prompted to verify your identity. Don't worry, this is just an extra security measure to ensure that it's really you trying to access your account. You'll likely receive a code via text message to your phone number. Enter that code to continue. Now that you're logged into LinkedIn, take a look at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. What you want to do next is select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Once you're in the Settings area, make sure you're under the Account tab. Under this tab, you'll find an option called Sign In and Security. Click on that to proceed. This section handles all security-related concerns and allows you to manage your sessions. As you look through the Sign In and Security page, find and click on the Where You're Signed In option. It'll give you a comprehensive list of all the devices where your LinkedIn account is currently active. This feature comes in handy to keep track of your account activity and manage any devices you might have forgotten about. In this section, you'll notice options for each session. If you want to end a specific session, simply click End next to it. Maybe it's an old device you don't use anymore or perhaps a device you don't recognize. It's a great way to keep things tidy and make sure your account security is up to date. Finally, if you decide that it's time for a clean slate and want to sign out from all devices, there's an option for that too. Just click Remove All Devices. This will log you out of every session except the one you're using to make these changes. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to manage your LinkedIn sessions remotely. This process ensures your account remains secure and only accessible by you. Remember, keeping an eye on where your account is logged in helps you maintain control and enhances your online security. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.